Hi guys, it's Elena Diyanova. I'm a food animator with Food First Newfoundland, and this is my son Alex.
And today we will be sharing healthy, affordable, easy to make school lunches for your kids.
Let's get started. Alex, what are we going to make today?
Today we'll be making carrot raisin apple salad.
Wow. Alex, do you think carrot is good for kids?
Carrot is great for anybody, not just kids, because it is very rich in vitamin A, but also delicious.
Yum.
So the ingredients you will need is 1 carrot, 1 red apple, some raisins, and vanilla yogurt. So the cooking instructions are: shred the carrots, chop red apples, toss with raisins, Now our salad is ready. Let's taste it.
So, what do you feel?
It's delicious.
Easy and yummy. Easy and delicious.
So you need to shred your carrots, but in order to shred your carrots, you first have to peel your carrot. I'll show you how you can do this quickly and easily. So you need a potato peeler and a carrot. All you have to do is put your potato peeler on the carrot and push it down like this. Make sure to be careful while you're doing this. Now that we peeled our carrots, it is now time that we shred our carrots. To do this, we're going to need a grater. We're just going to take our carrot and push it down. Just like this. And now, here we go.